Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable dark mode in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to enable dark mode, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply right click on your desktop, then select personalize option, or you can also go to your settings app. In settings, just look for personalization option over here. Click on personalization, and then click on colors. And in color, you must see choose your mode. So if it will give you two options, so light or dark. So you decide to select which one you want to. Let's say I'm gonna select dark. Once you have selected dark, it will change dark to dark theme for everything. It might be your system apps, your desktop, your taskbar, and also including your other system apps like or any third party apps. They have access to your system mode. So in this way, you can easily change or enable dark mode for your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.